Hi guys, my name is David and welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to disable the notifications of Facebook inside Facebook app, and also you can do that from the settings and will be more accurate. So to disable the notifications, and let's say you want to personalize this, you can do that. If you open the Facebook app, let me do that really quick, and you should be on this page. This should be the main page. You will have to go on this menu. You will see your icon right here on the bottom, and after you press this icon you will have to scroll just a little bit down. Here you will have to hit on security and privacy, and you will have to locate settings, which is this one. Let's see where are the notifications. At preferences down below is the third one. I will press on notifications, and here you can personalize all these. As an example, if you press on comments, you can disable to receive notifications via email, SMS, I mean a message, or push notifications. Or if you want to disable certain notifications like birthday notifications when your friend have a birthday, you can do that. You can disable just the SMS, just the push up, or just the email, leave the others. It's up to you how you want to personalize this. Here you have the tags, reminders, birthdays, groups, videos, basically every notification that Facebook app has, and down below you can find where you receive notifications, or on push, on email, and on SMS. I want to disable the email notifications from all of them, and I will have just to disable all of this. And just in a moment I will show you how to disable everything from inside the settings of the iPhone, just in case if this will not work. Let's do it one more time. So your menu, then settings, and now notifications, and here you can find everything. But how you do that from your settings of your iPhone? So let's open settings, and here we'll have to scroll all the way down. You should have all the apps that are installed on the bottom. Here you have to locate Facebook. Hit on that. If we go on notifications, which as you can see mine is already on off, I will press on notifications and I can allow, but I want to disable all the notifications from Facebook inside of my settings of my iPhone. So these are the ways how to disable Facebook notification on an iPhone. This is an iPhone 11 Pro. I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button, and of course leave a comment if you have any questions. Please have a great day.